Hey everyone, welcome to our test drive review of the 2024 Tesla Model 3 Long Range. Today we are taking a closer look at the subtle yet impactful updates both inside and out. Let's dive in. As we take a stroll around the exterior, you'll notice the refined details of the 2024 model. From thinner LED headlight DRLs to updated wheels with arrow caps, Tesla has tastefully refreshed the Model 3 appearance. The redesigned LED lights at the back seamlessly integrate with the trunk lid, while the hidden charge port door maintains the sleek profile. So now let's get in the 2024 Tesla Model 3 and take a quick drive. So let me swipe up the screen first to change it to the driving mode as you can see here, and let me take a quick drive in this parking lot to test it. This is super amazing to drive the Model 3. It's super agile and super responsive too. The braking is amazing too, and it feels good in the corners. On the exterior, the major changes now we have is the thinner LED DRLs to updated wheels with arrow caps. So now let's get into the interior. As soon as we enter, you can see the Model 3 badging. Talking about the interior, the all-new 2024 Tesla Model 3 features a wraparound styling as you can see here, and a customized ambient lighting to make it your own. The Model 3 gets a 15.4-inch center touchscreen infotainment system and a 360-degree acoustic glass for the interior. It's overall a premium interior as you can see here, and that's the 360-degree acoustic glass over the Tesla Model 3.
Now turn right onto Highway 99.
As we start driving here, you can see the automatic blind spot camera. So when you turn left or right, it automatically turns on the camera for your convenience. So as you can see here, as soon as I initiated my left indicator, it turned on the blind spot camera. So as we drive around in the latest updated 2024 Tesla Model 3, I'm gonna share my experience and also the new features of the Model 3. The turn signals are on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and this is again the more clear view of the blind spot camera that the Tesla uses. So it helps us in taking the decision while we are turning left or while we are turning right. So as soon as you turn on the indicator, it automatically turns on. So talking about the other interior features, you can see here we do have a space to keep some of the things here, and it's pretty much automatic. Other than that, we do get two wireless charging ports here at the front as you can see here in the Tesla 2024 Model 3.
64th Street
Talking about the specification, the Tesla Model 3 has an acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. This EV has a range of 341 miles in a complete charge. The vehicle comes with 18-inch or 19-inch wheels with updated arrow caps and top of the updated multi-spoke wheels. The Tesla Model 3 has an overall height of 56.7 inches and a length of 185 inches. What I have observed driving through these streets is that, yeah, it's faster, it's zippier, and it's not just that it's higher peak torque and peak power, it's like 30% more peak power, but throughout the whole range from low speeds, yeah, it launches, gets off the line quicker, and all the way up high speeds, your passing power, it's really quick, which is great for the Tesla Model 3. And secondly, the handling is better. It's a good handling EV which comes around 1800 kilograms. And finally, the track mode. So if you get a Model 3 performance, you'll be getting the track mode in your software where other Model 3 don't get the track mode.
Stay on 164th Street Southwest.
It's crazy how fast it is. I'm currently in the sport mode, and when you're cruising through the edges, it feels safe. It doesn't feel slippery, and also it's super cool because you get all this power and visibility. So talking about the interior, the passenger in the rear gets a 18 screen which is used for climate control and the infotainment system. As you can see here, we have the options to adjust the AC according to our needs, and we do also have the infotainment system in this. So you have a choice for Netflix, YouTube and other applications. So this is available in the rear for the rear passengers in the interior of the 2024 Tesla Model 3. And also you can control the AC and the directions using this 8-inch screen at the rear in the 2024 Tesla Model 3. And this is the overall premium interior finish. So finally we are heading back now, and here are some of the features of the Tesla Model 3 that I liked. Firstly, it's the electric performance. The Model 3 offers accelerating electric performance with instant torque, smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Second, it's the autopilot. Tesla's advanced driver assistance system includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist with automatic lane changing, making driving safe and more convenient. Third, it's the long range. Fourth, it's the supercharging network of Tesla across the country. Fifth, it's the minimalist interior of the Tesla Model 3. Sixth, it's the over-the-air updates in the Tesla Model 3. And finally, we have the enhanced safety features, premium sound system, front storage, and the sustainable design of the 2024 Tesla Model 3. So that's it for the end of today's video. Hope you have liked the review of the 2024 Tesla Model 3. Please do leave your comments and let us know what do you think of this model. And here it's again the parking assist in the 2024 Tesla Model 3. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos.